Good morning class 10. Today is 6th August. I am starting the chapter number 10, Arithmetic Progression. This is also known as AP series. Now let us understand few terms before starting the exercise. First term is sequence. A group of numbers which are arranged in definite order following a certain rule. Suppose this is a group of number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the group of number. They are arranged in definite order with a certain rule. Rule is over here difference of 2. So this is a sequence. Now what is terms or elements? In some book it's written term. In some books it is written element. Both the meaning is same. Numbers used in a sequence or series. This is also known as series or sequence. So this number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, they are known as the terms or element. Now next is what is progression? Progression means sequence or series of numbers whose each term is related to its predecessor and successor. Suppose let us talk about the number 4. This number 4 is related to its predecessor and its successor. So this is known as progression. Now there are different type of progression. First is AP, GP, HP, and one more is complex series. AP means arithmetic progression. This is in your class 10th course syllabus, that is 2020 to 21. There is one more series that is called GP, geometric progression. This is in your course, but this will not come in 2020-21 syllabus. So we will only study AP. HP means harmonic progression. This is in your class 10th or 12th. So here in class 10th only you have to study AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now let us understand what is AP or arithmetic progression. Sequence of numbers in which term can be obtained by adding a certain number to its preceding term. Suppose this 2 is there. When you add 2 to the 2, 2 plus 2 will become 4. Then again you add 2, 2 plus 4 will become 6. Again you add 2, 2 plus 6 will become 8. 8 plus 2 means you are adding same number to each term. The other number is successor is coming. 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is your AP series. First number, this first number is known as first term. That is represented by symbol small a. So here first term is 2. Common difference. Common difference is written by D. What is a common difference over here? 2. Last term means last number is represented by small l. What is the last number over here? 24. Now class, we have already discussed the first term. A. First term means first number. This is second term, A2. Third term, A3. Fourth term, A4. Fifth term, A5. Means first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, so on, n number. But you will say over here in series or in sequence of AP, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, nth term. Now let's take a common series. We have to find the journal term of an AP. Journal term, journal formula, journal expression. So A comma D, A plus 2D, it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, and this will be A plus n minus 1D. Now this is your first term, second term, third term, fourth term, last term, small n, or Tn term or An term. So the meaning is same. You have to find the last term or Tn term or An term. Now let's see what is a journal term or journal formula. So Tn term we have to find. Means which number is in nth term will be equal to A first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. D means common difference. So this is a formula to find out the Tn term. Or if you have to find the last term means last number. Then same formula, A first term plus n minus 1 multiply with D, that is common difference. And n means which term, last term, ninth term, 10th term. You have to find, so you will put that value over here. Now An meaning is same. In some book it is written Tn, in some book it is written An. So don't get confused. All three symbol meaning is same. That is A plus n minus 1 into D. That means you are finding out n term. In n term कौन सा नंबर आता है? सेवेंथ टर्म, सातवें टर्म में कौन सा नंबर है? वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस वे. लास्ट एल मीन्स लास्ट टर्म में लास्ट नंबर क्या है वो निकालना है. एन मीन्स एन टर्म में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है. सो दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू यूज इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ ए मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म. So what is the first term over here in the series? 2. So you will write down in the question this way. D means common difference. In AP series there will be common difference. Here previous series I have taken, so common difference is 2, 2, 2. Clear? So common difference is 2. Now how will you find it out? Let's see how to find out the common difference. Common difference you will find out second term minus first term. Clear? That means what is your second term? 4. What is the first term? 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. That means second number minus first number. Or you can do it also third term minus second term. So what is your third term? Third number 6 minus second term. Second number is 6 minus 4 is 2. Common difference will come common. Difference will be common in AP series. Similarly, you can do it fourth term minus third term. So fourth term is your 8, third term is your 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Can you see that? The difference is common in AP series. So this was your common difference. Now let's see one more thing. For an AP series or arithmetic progression, you know the formula, you know the journal term now. If D is greater than 0. D means common difference is greater than 0. Common difference की value 0 से बड़ी आ रही है. That means AP series will be increasing. It will be in increasing order like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. It will increase. Now, if common difference is less than 0, that means common difference की value -2, -3 कुछ आ रही है, तो वहाँ पे AP series will decrease. Like 8 minus 2 will be 6. Minus 2 will be 4. Minus 2 will be 2. So on. Then it will be 0. Then it will be -2. So here the AP series is decreasing when the D is less than 0. If D is equal to 0, that means there is no common difference. That means the common difference is 0. So all the term in the AP will be same. Because if you add 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. That means each term will be same. Now let us start the question of the exercise. Exercise 10A, page number 131, question number 1. It says that show that the progression 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are in AP. We have to prove this, whether the sequence is in AP or not, first of all. So given progression is this 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, so on. So what we will do it first of all, we will find out the common difference. Now how you will find out the common difference? Let's see. This is your first term, first number. second number, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will find it out D, common difference. So how will you find out? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, or fifth term minus fourth term. When you put the value, it has to be constant. So let's see. Second is 13. 13 minus 11 equals to 15 minus 13. 17 minus 15. 19 minus 17. So when you solve it, let's see. So it will be 2, 2, again it's 2, 2. So this is constant. It has to come constant. Constant means same. The common difference is constant. So given progression is in AP. First part we have proof. Now in the question we have to find the first term. How will you find out the first term? First number. First term means first number, पहला नंबर A. तो ये कौन सा है पहला नंबर सीरीज में? 11. So this is your first part answer. In second part they are asking us the common difference. Common difference is represented by small d. You have to learn the formula with correct symbol. Small d. Just now we have taken it out. Second term minus first term. So second term is 13. First term is 11. So 13 minus 11 is 2. So common difference is 2. Now third part we have to find the 20th term. We have to find the 20th term. Now understand the meaning I am telling you in Hindi so that it sits into your mind. 20th term का मतलब होता है 20वां नंबर कौन सा होगा. So what is the formula? Formula is journal term is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn का यहाँ पे मतलब हुआ T20 निकालना है, 20वां टर्म निकालना है, इक्वल्स टू A कितना है 11 प्लस n is this term. Which term we have to take? 20. So n will be 20. So 20 minus 1. D common difference is 2. So first of all what you will do? You will subtract. 20 minus 1 is 19 and then you will multiply. So 19 into 2 is 38. 38 plus 11 is 49. So 49 is your 20th term. So this is a first question answer. This way you will do the question.